Hello everyone, this is Charles Harper. In today's one AI video per day, what we did was we demonstrated how you can use Canva pretty much as a chatbot and to use it in order to create images. But I mean, you could use the video to teach your customers how to create just about anything. And because it acts differently than it has in the past, it really is worth showing people how Canva actually works. In the unrestricted rights upgrade, what we did was we demonstrated HeyGen. HeyGen's been out for a while, but it's still a very interesting technology. Now, this video you may find a little creepy because you'll hear my voice and you'll see that this is the avatar that if you have followed my work in the past, it's one of the ones that I use as a pen name. You'll see Thomas's face and see him talking, but it's really my voice. So here's the HeyGen generation and what I will be showing your customer how to do in the video. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. So that is really what HeyGen does. HeyGen does have an affiliate program, so you can use our video if you're going to be promoting HeyGen. You can go and sign up for HeyGen's affiliate program and then use that with the content we give you for this video. Now, last night I recorded the second upgrade to the Google AI Tools video course. And if you did get that upgrade, you'll notice then that we showed your customer how to create and share a custom notebook. So for example, this is a custom NotebookLM notebook, and it may not necessarily look like much because there's not much on the screen. But what your customer could do, they could go in to this notebook that you create for them. You'll see I've got a prompt, write a 500-word article on building a business on Warrior Plus for JV2. And so if they click in here with this notebook that you create for them, then what's going to happen is that this notebook will then help them to create that article. And you can actually share a notebook like this with your customer. So there's the article, and then they'll be able to copy that to their clipboard. So basically, in the upgrade or the second upgrade, we demonstrated how your customer can create this. And this is really very similar to a custom GPT, except that it's done with Google with a very new capability that they have given to now share custom notebooks. So the second upgrade is a demonstration of that process. So the total video is about 35 minutes. And of course, you get unrestricted rights to that video. I'll play a clip from the video right here. You'll kind of see what it is here as you can. And so another thing that I like to do is I like to talk about what I want the tone to be. And so if I want the tone to be, and if I want jargon to be used, this is where I'm going to write that in. Okay, so you get an idea that the video is a step-by-step over-the-shoulder tutorial. It's about 35 minutes long, and again, you get unrestricted rights to it. And again, it shows you how to create a link like this and to pass it on to your customers. If you don't want them creating content with it and you just want them to learn from it, you can tell them what kind of questions to ask about the subject matter. So this notebook is programmed to answer these kinds of questions. And of course, you can program the notebook to answer whatever questions your customer has on a specific subject. So again, it's like having a GPT on a specific subject that you can pass on to your customers. Now again, this is the second upgrade inside of the Google Tools PLR. Okay, so that's it for the day. Thanks and have a great day.